The neuropsychology of narcissistic behavior patterns involves distinct structural and functional brain differences that underlie key traits of narcissism, such as grandiosity, lack of empathy, impaired social cognition, and emotional regulation difficulties. Key neuropsychological findings include reduced gray matter volume in regions such as the anterior insula, rostral anterior cingulate cortex, and dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, PFC. These areas are critical for emotional empathy, self-awareness, conflict monitoring, and cognitive control. Alterations in the medial and ventromedial prefrontal cortex, orbitofrontal cortex, and insula have been linked to narcissistic traits like self-enhancement and social dominance. These prefrontal and frontoparalymbic circuits are involved in regulating emotions and social decision-making. The anterior insular cortex, AIC, plays a major role in social interactions and empathy. Deficits in the AIC, including reduced neural connectivity and atypical neurons called von Economo neurons, VENs, are associated with impaired social awareness and emotional processing typical in narcissism. Dysfunction in the amygdala, often with hyperactivity, may heighten emotional responses such as fear and anger, particularly when the narcissist's self-image is challenged. This contributes to impulsivity and aggressive behaviors. Neurochemical factors such as dopamine, serotonin, vasopressin, and oxytocin affect reward processing, social bonding, aggression, and manipulative behaviors in narcissistic individuals. For example, high vasopressin may increase aggression, while oxytocin may paradoxically facilitate manipulative social behavior. Functional MRI studies indicate that narcissistic individuals have altered neural activity related to prosocial motivation and conflict monitoring, which may explain difficulties with genuine empathy and interpersonal relations. Narcissism shows heterogeneous neural mechanisms, with varying brain patterns reflecting different narcissistic traits or subtypes. Grandiose versus vulnerable narcissism. Grandiose narcissism often involves heightened stress reactivity and vigilance to ego threats, while vulnerable narcissism is less studied but may involve greater emotional insecure.